Hello students, good morning. Today we will study chapter 3 nouns gender. What is the definition of gender? A noun's state of being male or female or being neither is called noun gender. So क्या है gender? किसी भी nouns का state चाहे वो male हो या female हो या फिर दोनों में से कुछ ना हो के न्यूटर हो उसे ही जेंडर हम कहते हैं, उस स्टेट को हम जेंडर बोलते हैं. ओके, फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अ बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग नियर ए कार. In this sentence, boy, the highlighted word, that is the word which is in blue color, boy, here is a masculine gender because it belongs to the male person. Okay. Next up we have my mother is my role model. We mothers and sisters, we see that they belong to the female family members. So that's why they are called feminine gender. In third, a teacher is teaching us. A teacher could be anyone, as like it could be male person or could be a female person. That is why this word is a common gender. Okay. Next up, sentence 4. He has a bag full of gold coins. Bag is a non-living things. That's why it is neuter, and hence we called it a neuter gender. Okay. In details manner, we will see the kinds of nouns gender. There are 4 kinds of nouns gender. The first one is feminine gender. The nouns that represent the female member of living beings are called feminine gender. So it is very easy to understand that जो भी living beings हैं उनमें जो female members होते हैं उन्हें हम feminine gender बोलते हैं. Okay. For example, a girl is dancing. Here a girl belongs to a female members of living beings, and that is why she is called feminine gender. Okay. My mother cooks very delicious food. The tigress ran very fast. So we have female members not only in human beings but in the animals as well. So here the tigress is the female member of the tiger family. Okay. So that is why tigress is a feminine gender here. Okay. Now we will see the masculine gender. What is masculine gender? The nouns that represent the male members of living beings are called masculine gender. So in the opposite manner of feminine gender, that is masculine gender, all the nouns which represent the male members, जो भी male members को represent करते हुए nouns होते हैं उन्हें हम masculine gender बोलते हैं. Okay. For example, a man is standing near the well. Father is the hero of his daughter. The tiger runs very fast. A washerman washes our clothes. Here, man, father, tiger, washerman, all these are masculine gender because they represent the male members of living beings. Okay. Now we will move on to the third type of gender, which is common gender. Now try to remember these. The nouns that represent both female and male members of living beings are called common gender. You have to learn how to recognize, how to identify the common genders. Because of their professions you can identify them easily. As for the examples, we have the doctor treats us when we are sick. A teacher teaches us in the school. An officer came for inspection in my school. An elephant is a big animal. So what do we have in common gender? Common gender हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? वो नाउन्स जो दोनों ही कैटेगरी को, जैसे फीमेल और मेल दोनों ही मेंबर्स से बिलोंग करते हो, उन्हें हम कॉमन जेंडर रेफ़र करते हैं. एज लाइक डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर मेल मेंबर भी हो सकता है और फीमेल भी. टीचर, इट कुड बी ऑल्सो ए मेल पर्सन और कुड बी ए फीमेल पर्सन. करेक्ट. ऑफिसर. सो again, officer could be a male person or could be a female person. An elephant we have as common gender. Okay. So next up we have neuter gender. The nouns that represent non-living things are called neuter gender. It's very easy to learn that whatever the nouns that are non-living things, whatever the things are non-living are called neuter gender. क्योंकि उनका कोई gender नहीं है, इसलिए उन्हें neuter gender बोलते हैं. Because they are non-living things, they are not living beings. तो ऐसी जो वस्तुएं हैं जिनमें जान नहीं है, जो लिविंग बींग्स नहीं है, जो लिविंग थिंग्स नहीं है, उन्हें हम ईजिली न्यूटर जेंडर आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, द बॉय प्लेज विथ ए बॉल. The glass is full of water. She bought a storybook. This red house is mine. Here, ball, glass, book, house all are neuter gender as they represent non-living things. Can you tell me what is the gender of a ball? It is neither a male nor a female, and again nor a common gender, because it cannot be a male or female gender because it is a non-living thing. So it is called neuter gender. So easily you can identify the neuter gender because they are not living things or living beings. Okay. So with this we have completed the noun's gender. What is noun gender? A noun's state of being male or female or being neither is called noun's gender. There are 4 kinds of gender: feminine, masculine, common and neuter. Okay. So learn the definitions of all the 4 gender and do practice of identify the masculine and feminine, common and neuter gender.